went Jack.
Uh-oh. Get the motor started.
There he goes.
Now we see water coming down.
Yeah, gotta work it.
We should hear it down over there. I'm hitting something now. There it goes.
Goes good.
Now we're through.
I hope so.
You guys, you see it? Water's coming up over there.
Good. So when they're coming up then? That's good.
So it's open now.
Yeah. Oh, that smells like roses.
Baby. I want it nice and quick now.
Well, give it an extra.
Yeah, over there. Yeah, the water over there.
Oh,
Hey, look what was brought up over here.
oh, very nice. It goes.
Oh,
Very nice. I hope this is it. Looks like cereal. Oatmeal. And you can hear the water go.
we're gonna go.
Yeah. Beautiful thing.
He's probably hitting the turn now in the street. Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's all right, don't worry about it. We're gonna fix that. That was
I
broken
think
one.
we're hitting the turn in the street. It's gotta be like that. Yeah. It's hard to pull, Mike. I don't know if we're gonna get around those turns.
No, don't want to go to the, well, you just go far as you can go. But I think water is going down now because not coming up this way.
No, it ain't coming back.
Good.
Let's pull back. Now, you think he still wants to do the camera? Does he still want to do the camera, your son?
I would. If you have it right here, why not?
Yeah. Well, from now on, if we have any problem, we got to go for the other clean out, so we're
Yeah.
okay here. We'll go over there. We can go from there. The pipe sounds hollow now.
Yeah.
You just got to make the repair now.
Very nice. Wow.
Watch out.
Here comes the jet.
What?
She's a leaker. Beautiful.
My water's going down.
That's a spinning one?
Tampons too, you see? Tampons too.
Oh, tampon, wonderful.
Those.
So that's a spinning head, no?
Yeah, it has a jet in the front
Yeah, and it
two in the
spins.
back.
I think that was enough to see.
Spin it. Oh, nice.
See,
What? Well, this head will cut roots.
Nice.
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's what she wants to do the camera.
just, ready?
Wants to